Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a detailed review of the Cambridge Audio Melomania M100 earbuds. Known for their audio prowess, these earbuds come with some exciting features that promise to elevate your listening experience to new heights. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Let's start with the design. The Melomania M100 sports an ergonomic shape that aims to provide a comfortable fit for long listening sessions. The earpieces are well built, although the case itself is a bit on the larger side, which might affect portability for some users. Nonetheless, the build quality feels solid and durable, ensuring these earbuds can withstand daily use. Moving on to what matters most: sound quality. The Melomania M100 impress with their expansive, detailed sound signature. Whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or nuanced classical compositions, these earbuds deliver clear highs, balanced mids, and a satisfying low-end response. The audio quality remains immersive and engaging across various genres, making them a solid choice for audiophiles. One standout feature of the Melomania M100 is their active noise cancellation. It effectively reduces ambient noise, creating a cocoon of silence around you, perfect for focusing on your music or podcasts without distractions. The transparency mode, while not perfect, allows you to stay aware of your surroundings when needed, though it does introduce a slight hiss in quieter environments. Battery life is another strong suit here. With up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge and a total of 33 hours with the case, these earbuds offer impressive stamina for extended use. They support Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring reliable connectivity and compatibility with high-resolution audio codecs like aptX Lossless, enhancing your listening experience with superior audio quality. In terms of features, the Melomania M100 come equipped with multi-point connectivity, allowing you to pair with multiple devices seamlessly. The Melomania Connect app further enhances the user experience by offering customization options for EQ presets and touch controls. The app also introduces audible feedback profiles, including the unique Matt Berry voice prompts, adding a touch of personality to the user interface. To sum it up, the Cambridge Audio Melomania M100 earbuds deliver on their promise of excellent sound quality and effective ANC in a sleek, well-designed package. While they may not include every bells and whistles feature like spatial audio processing, they excel where it matters most: audio fidelity and noise cancellation. If you prioritize sound performance and comfort in your wireless earbuds, the Melomania M100 are definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Cambridge Audio Melomania M100 earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.